Established in 2005, covering an area of 50,000 square meters, Smile Technology Co. Limited is a manufacturing enterprise integrating research and development, design, production, sales, and service. Sheet metal processing factory with more than 200 employees and an annual output value of 300 million yuan. The sheet metal factory has truly realized the integrated process of production, and the product quality has reached the leading level in the industry. Dedicated to professional precision sheet metal, electrical cabinets, consoles, charging panels, intelligent express cabinets, CNC machine parts, and other products. From research and development to design, from production to sales, to provide customers with one-stop service. Smile Professional Design Team, committed to providing good service to every customer, to provide each customer with perfect design solutions and drawings. Accept drawings in PDF, SolidWorks, and CAD format, OEM and ODM customization. Smile has been working hard for more than 10 years to serve every customer around the world. And now we have established cooperation with customers in more than 50 countries. We believe the future is promising and look forward to making more friends and partners. One dream, global sale. Common development. Smile dreams of global development.